Hey, this is JJ with Deluxe Vehicle Detailing and Paint Correction. I've got this finder that allows me to fine-tune the exact levelness of this steering wheel, which is turned partially to the side, to the right, which is kind of freaky, but I can put the circle on top of a circle and know that if I turn it ever so slightly, I get a different reading that says, hey man, you're not balanced. So it looks like it's all good. I don't really know what my settings are. I guess I'll hit settings. I don't have the light on. I'm going to turn the torch on now. Torch on! Isn't that a superhero? So settings I can't look at for the moment, but there's a bunch of pies in the upper right hand corner, and when I hit that, nothing happens. So I guess I have to do all that before I record. But at 1 minute and 13 seconds, I just wanted to show how I'm cleaning this glass by spitting on my fingers and rubbing it like the new Elantra. Oh my white thing is, now it's all yellow. Now it's white around the circle, white around the lateral horizontal line. Oh, this is how you clean a knob. Ooh, rub it. Oh, get your finger wet. And oh, that knob feels so good. That knob. Okay. Anyway, hope you enjoyed my video at 2 minutes and 5 seconds.